Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting into the router quickly. Connect your laptop or phone to the mini Wi-Fi network and open a browser or the vendor app. You need the admin username and password. If you don't have them, check the device label or app. Once done, type the router IP like 192.168.0.1 or launch the app and choose Device Settings. This is the control panel where you will change the wireless password, so make sure you're logged in as an administrator. Now navigate to Wireless or Wi-Fi settings. This is where SSID and password live. You should select WPA2 PSK or WPA3 for best security, avoid WEP. In the passphrase field, type a new password at least 12 characters long with uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. This prevents easy guessing. Once you enter the new key, make sure any guest network remains separate if needed. Finally, click Apply or Save and allow the router. After the router applies the new password, you will need to reconnect every device. Choose the network and enter the new passphrase. Make sure smart devices and printers are updated. Some require reconfiguration in their apps. Once reconnected, test internet access and run a speed check to confirm normal performance. If you cannot log into the admin panel or devices won't join, reboot the router and try again. If problems persist, reset the router to factory settings and reconfigure. Only do that if you cannot recover the admin credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.